Hi, I am María Victoria Díaz, but my family and friends call me Mavi, Big, Vicky, Totis, and in other ways. I am 20 years old. I'm Colombian. I live and I'm from Bogota. I live with my parents. My dad is Victor. My mom is Nancy. I am a psychology student at Universidad Cooperativa de Colombia. I'm in ninth semester. A normal Monday in my life is I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have a shower at 10 past 7. Then I brush my teeth at 7:20. I get dressed after I have breakfast, toast or arepa tea at 35 to 8. I put on makeup and comb my hair at quarter to 8. I go to work in a student intern at 5 to 8. I walking while to school my practice. There, the work is always different, but I do therapeutic accompaniment. I have lunch with a teacher and administration at 11:30, and we continue with the work. I get home at 3:15. I rest a little. I go to Transmilenio 10 to 5. I go to my English class at 6 o'clock. I get home at 10 o'clock. I have dinner at 10:15. I do my homework at 10:30. I wash my face and brush my teeth at 11:30. And I finally sleep at about 12 o'clock. Thank you. Good day.